You know, our brains are always talking, but there's this secret, more complex language they use too. Yeah, it's not just simple on or off signals. We've got a whole other class of messengers in the mix. I mean, to handle all our complex thoughts and feelings, the brain needs something way more sophisticated. And it really comes down to size. Brain messengers fall into two camps, small molecule and neuropeptides. So here's the game plan for a deep dive into these incredible molecules and how they work. Okay, let's put them side by side. You'll see they are different in pretty much every way possible. So, how are these big peptide messengers actually built? Well, the process is totally different and way more complex. It's kind of like a factory assembly line, turning one big blueprint into a bunch of refined products. Okay, so it all starts with this huge precursor molecule made way back in the neuron cell body. Then, this thing gets processed, packaged up into little bubbles, and sent on its way. Now, here's the really cool part. One precursor makes multiple active peptides. Talk about efficiency. This system creates just a huge diversity of signals from a single neuron. Pretty incredible stuff. Take substance P, for example. It was one of the first discovered, and it's a huge player in pain. Their jobs are just so varied, from stress and anxiety to controlling hunger. Think GLP-1. Back in the 70s, scientists were looking for the brain's own morphine, and what they found was huge. Turns out our bodies make their own opioids, and they fall into three main families. Generally, they act as powerful painkillers, but also get involved in really complex stuff, like addiction. And just to give you a sense of their power, fentanyl is 80 times more potent than morphine. So how do they actually send their signals? It's all about creating broad, long-lasting effects. They work even at super low levels, so they can broadcast signals to neurons far, far away. So, given their incredible power, you have to wonder, what new therapies could they unlock?